Many beginners don't know the difference between chin-ups and pull-ups for building muscles. Chin-ups target biceps more, while pull-ups hit lats more effectively for upper body growth. Performing either exercise with poor form dramatically reduces muscle activation and strength gains. Common mistakes include swinging, using momentum, and not completing full range of motion. Chin-ups are done with palms facing you, pulling up using biceps and back muscles. Pull-ups are done with palms facing away, emphasizing lats and upper back development. Grip strength and hand positioning significantly affect muscle recruitment in both chin-ups and pull-ups. Core engagement ensures stability and prevents swinging during every repetition performed properly. Slow, controlled repetitions maximize muscle activation and reduce the risk of shoulder injuries significantly. Lean slightly forward in chin-ups to target chest along with biceps effectively for full gains. Elbows should stay close to body about 45 degrees for proper form and activation. Partial range of motion drastically reduces the benefits of chin-ups and pull-ups performed. Avoid shrugging shoulders upward, as this transfers tension away from target muscles during exercises. Pausing at the top of each repetition improves contraction and builds muscle strength effectively. Lowering slowly ensures continuous tension on target muscles and enhances growth during every set. Beginners should focus on mastering technique before adding extra reps or weighted resistance. Controlled breathing helps maintain posture and stabilizes body during each chin-up or pull-up movement. Inhale during lowering phase, exhale while pulling upward to maximize strength and performance output. Swinging legs or torso reduces tension and prevents proper muscle recruitment in upper body. Avoid flaring elbows outward, as this compromises form and increases shoulder injury risk significantly. Correct chin-up technique builds stronger biceps, improves posture, and strengthens grip over time. Correct pull-up technique emphasizes lats, rear delts, and upper back muscles efficiently for strength. Both exercises improve functional strength applicable to real-life pulling and lifting movements daily. Consistency combined with proper technique produces the fastest results in muscle development and growth. Slow, controlled repetitions create more muscle fiber activation than fast, sloppy repetitions commonly performed.
Mastering both exercises provides balanced upper body development, including chest, back, arms, and shoulders. Beginners should perform 8 to 15 repetitions per set, with 3 sets for maximum effectiveness. Track progress and gradually increase difficulty with weighted variations or higher repetitions over time. Muscle activation is significantly higher when exercises are performed with strict posture and control. Pausing and squeezing at the top maximizes contraction in biceps during chin-ups effectively. Pull-ups emphasize lat width, improving V-shaped back appearance and upper body aesthetic development. Keeping core tight during each repetition prevents swinging and ensures effective upper body engagement. These exercises strengthen grip, forearms, and functional pulling strength useful in other movements. Proper warm-up reduces risk of injury while preparing muscles for high tension during pull-ups. Even professional athletes include chin-ups and pull-ups in their upper body strength programs regularly. Small adjustments in grip, posture, and tempo produce noticeable differences in muscle activation results. Maintaining control throughout the exercise improves endurance, coordination, and strength in target muscles effectively. Beginners often fail due to impatience, neglecting technique, and focusing solely on high repetition numbers. Focus on tension, control, and range of motion instead of rushing repetitions for best results. Chin-ups help build arm strength, while pull-ups emphasize back thickness and lat development effectively. Controlled lowering phase is as important as upward pull for maximizing strength and muscle activation. Combining both exercises ensures balanced upper body growth, strength, and functional performance improvements. Avoid partial reps, swinging, or flaring elbows for the most effective muscle-building results consistently. Practice proper technique consistently, and upper body strength, size, and definition will improve quickly. These exercises also improve grip endurance, shoulder stability, and functional upper body athletic performance. Master both chin-ups and pull-ups before advancing to weighted variations or advanced calisthenics exercises. Quality repetitions focusing on tension, posture, and control produce superior results compared to higher sloppy volume. Strength gained from proper chin-ups and pull-ups translates into improved posture, pulling power, and aesthetics. Incorporate these exercises consistently into workouts for stronger arms, wider lats, and complete upper body development. Subscribe now to learn more upper body secrets that will dramatically increase strength and size.